Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talk about enumeration or enum. So what is an enumeration? An enumeration or enum is a user-defined data type that consists of a set of named integral constants, and we use them to improve code readability and maintainability by giving meaningful names to integral values. For example, here I am declaring and initializing one variable called a of integer type, and it is equal to 10. However, we can also have our own data types. So it is a user-defined data type. We can have the keyword enum, and the data type is days. So we are defining a new data type, which is called days. And in this data type, days, we are having some values here, some elements in these data types. So from Monday to Sunday, the days of the weeks are elements of this days data type. And when we are going to call them, we can simply declare one variable called today that is of days data type, and it is equal to Wednesday, for example. So previously we were having, for example, double, for example, b equals 10.5, for example. And now we are having a variable called today that is of type days that is defined by ourselves, and it is not defined previously in C++ like double or integer, and it is equal to Wednesday. Or we can have today too, a variable that is of type days, and it equals, for example, Friday. So this is how basically we can define a new data type like integer, like double, like float in C++ using enum, and we can name the data type, and also this data type can have different elements here. So here I'm defining the new data type called days, and it has 7 elements, and basically I can define a new variable of this data type and assign different elements of that data type to my variables. Basically, we're doing this because we can increase the code readabilities. For example, if I print the today, I'm going to have number 2 in the output. But instead of having number 2, I am giving it a meaningful name. Why 2? Because this is the index 0, index 1, and it is index 2. So we are giving the name because it will be more convenient for the developers to understand it. Instead of writing down 2 and then in your mind you remember, okay, 2 equals Wednesday, you can basically and directly use Wednesday, and it will return the value that you're looking for, which is 2. However, it gives you a meaningful name that helps you to understand the code. Therefore, the readability of your code will increase. In the following section, in the following lectures, we are going to discuss different types of enumeration that are single, multiple, and multi-level, and we are going to have many coding exercises with enumeration so we can practically see how useful they are. Thank you for watching.